1. Break the ice, meaning to make people feel more relaxed in a social situation. Example: he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. 2. Get the hang of it, meaning to learn how to do something after some practice. Example: don't worry, you'll get the hang of it soon. 3. Hit the nail on the head, meaning to say or do something exactly right. Example: you really hit the nail on the head with that comment. 4. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick or not well. Example: I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. 5. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Example: I only eat fast food once in a blue moon. 6. Call it a day, meaning to stop working for the day. Example: we've done enough. Let's call it a day. 7. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. Example: she accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise. 8. On the same page, meaning to agree or have the same understanding. Example: let's make sure we're on the same page before we start. 9. Piece of cake, meaning very easy to do. Example: the test was a piece of cake. 10. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning to be very expensive. Example: that phone costs an arm and a leg. 11. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work or study late at night. Example: he burned the midnight oil to finish the project. 12. Back to square one, meaning to start again from the beginning. Example: the plan failed, so we're back to square one. 13. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Example: he's in hot water for missing the deadline. 14. Pull someone's leg, meaning to joke or tease someone. Example: relax, I'm just pulling your leg. 15. Think outside the box, meaning to think creatively. Example: we need to think outside the box to solve this problem. 16. Cut corners, meaning to do something cheaply or carelessly. Example: they cut corners and the quality suffered. 17. The ball is in your court, meaning it's your decision or responsibility now. Example: I've done my part. The ball is in your court. 18. Bite the bullet, meaning to accept a difficult situation bravely. Example: I hate exams, but I'll bite the bullet and study. 19. Go the extra mile, meaning to make more effort than expected. Example: she always goes the extra mile for her clients. 20. At the end of the day, meaning when everything is considered, finally. Example: at the end of the day, health matters most. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to improve your English with real, practical examples.